How to fix Instagram ghify sticker not showing. Hey guys, welcome back to 1 Million Ideas YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to fix Instagram ghify sticker not showing problem. So guys, if you are not finding your ghify sticker on Instagram, then what you have to do is watch this video till the end. So let's get started. So first of all, let's go to Instagram, and then let's if you can't find your ghify sticker, then what you have to do is first of all restart your phone or reboot your phone. After doing this, you have to go to your Google Play Store, and then please search for Instagram here. So after searching for Instagram, you have to check whether Instagram is asking for an update or not. So here you can see my Instagram is asking for an update, so I have to update. And if your Instagram is asking for an update, you have to update your Instagram. So let me update my Instagram here. So till the update, I will just post the video. So it is done. It is on an installing process, so wait for a second. I will show you how to fix the problem. So I have 2, 3, 4 tips to fix the problem. So now after updating your Instagram, you have to open your Instagram and check whether you can find the ghify sticker option on your Instagram or not. So if you can't find it, what you have to do is just click on the Instagram icon here. Go back to your Google Play Store and come here, and you have to click here. Now scroll down and you will find a option here as beta tester option here. So I have already joined the beta tester, so I'm not finding the option. So what you have to do is just join the beta tester. I have already joined the beta tester, you can see here. So you have to join beta tester on Instagram. So if you join, I hope you will find the option ghify sticker option on Instagram. You can check whether you can find or not. So guys, if you can't find, then what you have to do is you have to go to your mobile settings. Where is the phone settings? You have to go to your phone settings and scroll down and go to install apps or app management or anything whatever you have in your phone. So let me go to install apps, and then wait for a second, and let's go to Instagram here. So here is it, Instagram. Now what you have to do is just click on the force stop button. You can see your force stop button. Just click on force stop and press OK, and then you can see your storage. So just click on storage, and then you have to clear all the data here and press OK here. So now you can see here app permission option here. So you have to click on app permission and allow all the permission here. So now you have to allow all the permission, go back to your Instagram account, and then wait for a second. So let me log in with my Instagram. So now let me see I can put my Instagram ghify sticker or not. So let me try it. Let me click a random picture here, and now after clicking my random picture, let's click to sticker icon here. So after clicking to sticker icon, you can find here your GIFY option. So you can just search for anything whatever you would like to upload. Here you can see ghify option. So just click on this, and then you can click to send to and just share to your story here. So guys, this is how you can find your ghify sticker option on Instagram. Thanks for watching.